And what's really neat, at 3 o'clock in the morning, you can't hear any traffic. You can't hear no airplanes going overhead. It's so quiet. I love it when it's snowing. It's like the air just becomes more quiet and it's just awesome. It's a great feeling. It's just like, wow, this is how quiet it could be. Yes, I'm wearing my robe. What are you guys eating? Yeah, just sand. Just sand. No, it's too dark to come out. And you're not going to want to come out today at all. It's like probably 6 inches of snow. And that's going to be really deep for you. It's not too deep for me, but too deep for you. All right, it's about 9 a.m. Same day, and I just scraped all the snow off these areas. And you might say, well, why bother? Well, none of this wood is treated, and having it covered in snow is just going to make it disintegrate quicker. So I just brushed it all off of this. I also knocked snow off the top of the kennel because it's going to warm up today and it's just going to melt and go right here. So then I also had to scrape some of this away otherwise because it'll melt and go in there. Just because that's just what it does. This door has been open the entire time. Not one chicken has come out. What? Why are you eating the lining of my coat? PK. Oh, only one. Interesting. I had 4 yesterday. But it is only like 9 a.m. So I'm gonna take this one. Here are some new suet cubes that I made. And I used tallow. There's some cranberries in here, oatmeal, a little bit of regular oats, bits of almond, and then some steak as well. And when I give this to them, they will go crazy. They do love this stuff. Just use one of these. They're the rubberized variety. Let's see here. Super cubes. Apparently for making soup, but whatever. I used it for making suet. It was the coldest day so far, yesterday and last night. It was about 8 degrees. And in the coop here, it was about 18 degrees. I did turn the heater on. I probably didn't have to, but I did. And then they have the heat lamp on, primarily to keep this food from freezing. They just had some ground hamburger, and then that's tuna fish in there to give them some protein. And then they have the regular feed right there, which is damp-ish, and then their dry food. And that lamp will help keep it, from completely freezing. And then I gave them kale. I have 2 kales here, which they love, and it's a kind of a lifesaver, so to speak, because there's no grass. And I have no idea when this is going to melt. Hi, Miss Cloud. How are you? How are you? She says I'm cold. 2 eggs today, so far. I think I had 2 yesterday and 4 the day before. Yeah. But they're only getting about 10 hours daylight. They're still laying eggs, just occasionally a couple of them will take a break. Now she laid one today, Parkour chick, and Trinity, her sister, this one, you both laid an egg. Trinity is my leg, no, she's not my leg, my egg laying queen. She rarely skips a day. Now, like, it's pretty boring out here in the winter. I mean, the ground is yuck. What are we gonna do? Well, that's why I come let you out for a few minutes so you don't get too bored and start, beating everybody up. Hello, Trinity. How are you? Yeah? What are you doing? Huh? I put some Vaseline on her comb last night. Looks like it's still a little shiny. Are we all getting up here? Is it because it's cold? Okay. Okay. I guess I'll just kind of move aside a little bit. You wanna get up there too? There we go. Sorry about that. Phoenix, how are you? I'm freaking cold, lady. I'm freaking cold. And you're standing on one foot, yes. You freaking cold too? Yeah. It's gonna get a little warmer the next 2 days and then it gets even colder for a day. Supposedly, but you know how weather is. Yeah, you agree? Yeah. I think she's eating the dirt. So, getting some grit, I guess. Huh. Is that what she's doing, Miss Cloud? What? Did you hear something? Look. Yeah, there's kids in the neighborhood. All I see is your tail feather. Miss Cloud. Hey. Can you make a sound? There it is. She's the only one that sounds like that. Oh, that was interesting. Did I get that in film? Huh. Phoenix there just came over and pecked PK in the head. That's unusual for her, because she's the bottom of the flock. Maybe there was something on her head. She was trying to get it off. There we go. Some people are probably like, why are you filming this? Well, I haven't been filming lately because it's just been so crappy out, and so I'm like, well, let's go ahead and do a little filming to show you why I'm not filming. Well, it looks like Miss Cloud must be in here trying to lay an egg, because I only have 3 chickens. Oh. She came out. I do have 1, 2, 3. Let me see, do I have a 4th one? Look at that. 4 eggs this morning on December 26th. They only had 10 hours of daylight. This light comes on at 7:30 and then they go to bed at 5:30. There, how's that? They like straw. I don't know if there are seeds in there or it's just their thing. There you go, a little pat. You like that? We would like food better. I gave you food. Definitely warmer today. Where's Miss Cloud? Did she go up here? Is she still up here? Miss Cloud. Sweetie, you already laid an egg. Sometimes I think they get a feeling in them that they need to lay an egg again. You don't. I hope you're not going to lay another egg. That'd be weird. Okay, we got Parkour Chick, we have Miss Cloud, we have Trinity, and then right over there is Phenix. What you got in your mouth? Hey, what is that? Give me that. No, no. Oh. Miss Cloud. Come on. Give me that. Look. No. No. Okay, hold on. Putting the camera down. No, here we go. I got it. I know. She's like, what the heck was that all about? Oh, look. Oh, yeah, moving the leaves aside. I don't know if you're going to find a worm. It is still December. Yeah, look at all those ice crystals.